I came home, I was drunk and high. My mum seen me, atamayalu fi mashyi. I am stumbling and I am walking. So my mum came to me and she said, "Oh my son, akhiru yawmin min Shaban, awwalu yawmin min Ramadan, yusbihu an-nasu suwama wa tusbihu sakran." Oh my son, it's the last day of Shaban. It's the eve of Ramadan. Even the sinners gave up their wrong and they also fasting, and you are drunk. In my naivety, in my stupidity, in my intoxication, I slapped my mum and she fell into the fire. It's been more than 30 years I'm coming for Hajj. Every year one person comes to me and tells me Allah's rejected your Hajj. I'm saying make tawbah while your mother is alive. Make tawbah while your mom is alive.